All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about customer declines. Week ago or 2 weeks ago, whatever, I did a video, it's not been my week. And if you don't know, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it up here. I talked about I was having a rough week. Side note, everybody kept saying, oh, I ought to push that Tahoe out. I could have pushed it out. I never stopped working. I always had stuff to do. I didn't have 2 dead bays. I had 1 dead bay. Yes, I could have pushed it out. Anything I touched kind of went to... So I pretty much just, worked out of 1 bay because I didn't want to push it out and have to push it back in. But I never had a situation where I was completely dead. Anyway, I decided to pull a report. The last couple months, I haven't been doing super great on my, hours. And so I pulled a lost sales report. Now, in case you don't know, all the technicians have access to our management system. I have a computer right there. I pulled it up. I looked at my lost sales for November through the current date of today, December, and I am leading the shop in declined work for the last month and a half. Makes you feel good, doesn't it? Happenstance, I don't know, but right now I'm leading the shop for the last month and a half in customer declines. And it was a significant amount of money that has been declined. Going back to that video, it's how things go sometimes. Sometimes you, as a technician, you write up something, man, sold. You write up the next car, sold. You write 2 more cars, sold. And then you have those weeks where I literally had 2, not 1, 2 oil changes decline. One goes, I'm gonna wait another 500 miles. I'm gonna bring it back then. Another one, nope, we're not doing the oil change right now, just top it off. It was a quart low. It's like, that's how my luck's been going as far as sold work. Now, I'm not complaining because I'm broke or anything like that. It is what it is, but during this holiday season, decline work tends to grow. I mean, you tend to have people that don't want to fix their junk because, well, Christmas. As technicians, as flat rate technicians, we need to understand that. As hourly technicians, don't get mad when you get sent home. Just saying. Unfortunately for technicians, part of the holiday season. I've been in this business a long time. Almost never is the holiday season a bountiful time for hours or not getting sent home early because, well, there's nothing to do. Just remember, all that stuff that declined last month might come in and get approved after the first of the year. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.